Friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable root login in SSH. So you can see I have this Linux machine on my Mac machine. This is the virtual box. I have installed an UTM, and I have this root also. Okay, so from the Mac terminal I want to log in. Okay, so if you see, if I want to do this, then easily I can log in with the mkd user. Okay, so I can do sudo su also. I can, let me put the password once again. I can log in as root also. Okay, but the thing is that I want to SSH it as a root. You can see, let me try, let me exit, and let me exit from here, and here I want to SSH with root. Okay, so let me do it, and asking the root password. I'm giving the root password. It's not allowing me to do that. Again I'm putting my root password. Again I'm trying. It's not allowing to do that. Okay, so how to do that? How to fix that? To fix that, I have to log into that from another terminal. You can see I need to log in as mkd, and I have to log in as root. Okay, and then what I need to do, I need to go to cd etc. Okay, and then ssh, and let me list on the ssh. You can see there is a sst config somewhere. There is a sst config. Okay, so I need to vi ssh hyphen config, and here we need to do some configuration change. Okay, permitted root login, you can see this is the permission. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to make it yes. Okay, I have to delete it, and here I have to do it yes. Okay, and then another things I have to do, password authentication yes. So password authentication I need to check option. Okay, I have to make it yes, and then I need to save it. Okay, and after that I need to do some services restart, systemctl restart sssd. Okay, and here let me exit from here, and let me exit from here, and I need to restart the machine, and before that let me try with root. Okay, if not, then I have to restart the main machine. You can see it's asking password, and it's not it may not allow. Okay, so I need to restart the original machine. So this is my original machine. I have to reboot this one. Okay, then you can see, it's restarted. Let me log in again. Okay, and from here from this terminal you can see I have to try with root login. It's not allowing. What is the issue? What could be the issue? I have to log in as I have to log in as with that user. Let me try once more, and let me log in with mkd linux. Okay, sudo su linux, and here I have to do some other troubleshooting step. So I have to restart chmod. Let me chmod 600 .ssh. okay, auto rise underscore keys. chmod 700 authorize keys. Okay, and then let me try. Let me exit from here, and let me try root login. I was trying and trying a lot of things. I did. It was fail. Okay, so I did some sudo su, then the systemctl status I check also, and then this allowed also, firewall allowed. Okay, but didn't work. So how it was work? It was work when I log in at the root and change the root password. Okay, I changed the root password, and then I did SSH. Then you can see then it was working. So you can see this is my root, and this SSH, and it's enabled the root login. So I want to conclude whole things together. This is my machine. Okay, so IP address, this is the IP. So I can do SSH from here. Okay, to using mkd user, but I couldn't do SSH using root, but now I can do. You can see. So how I fixed that? So first I went to etc and then SSH. Okay, and then in SSH you can see there's a SSHD config. So you have to go to sshdconfig. Okay, and then there's a root login. Okay, you have to enable the root login. So let me go and check once more times for you. Okay, this is the configuration I made it yet. Yes. Okay, uncomment and permission yes, and there is another one, password authentication. This one I make yes. Okay, these two configuration you need to change, permission and this password authentication. Okay, and after that you need to restart the systemctl restart SSH. Okay, so you have to restart this one, and after that you need to restart your main machine. Okay, and after that you can try, and if it's failed, do one thing, just change the password. Okay, so sudo this is the password, how to change the password of a root, so it will be working. Thank you.